What is up, guys? It's Tech of the Blind. Sorry I haven't been active on my channel in almost a month now. So I want to come back with a good video. The second part of my Braille tutorial series talking about symbols you need to know and the number sign and how to create sentences and many other things. Continue to watch for more information. So as you guys remember, I have the Perkins Brailler standard version. And so let's look at something real quick. So you guys remember Braille. Well, you guys remember the first video I talked about the alphabet a lot. In this video, we're going to cover the capital sign, the period, the comma, the apostrophe, and the number sign, and how those are used. So enjoy the video. So to make a capital sign, remember .6 is on the right next to the backspace. So .6 to make a capital sign. Dots 2, 5, 6 to make a period. To make a number sign, you press 3, 4, 5, 6. The comma is .2. The apostrophe is .3. Okay. Let's unroll the paper a bit so I can show you guys what they look like. Let me zoom in a bit so you guys can see this a bit easier. I hope you guys can see what they each look like. For the most part. If not, the number sign looks like a backwards V or backwards L in print. .6. Honestly, I don't know what that would look like in print. Just a dot, a lower dot. The period is also a dropped D. .2 and .3. So I don't know how to describe those ones, but I know you gotta pick up the number sign. So let's get to work. I'm gonna start with creating a sentence using the capital sign and the period. Okay, so let's say my name is Nick. So first, let me unzoom my camera. Okay, there we go. So, .6, M, 1, 3, 4. The letter Y, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Name is 1, 3, 4, 5, so N. A is .1. Of course, I already said the M, but I'll say it again. 1, 3, 4. And the E is 1, 5. The word is the I, dots 2, 4. The S is 2, 3, 4. Capital sign again, .6. N, 1, 3, 4, 5. I, dots 2, 4. C is dots 1, 4. K is dots 1, 3. Period 2, 5, 6. So I'm going to scroll down a bit for you guys so I can show you what that should look like. for the ones that can see. You see the .6, the word my. Name is Nick. That's just a basic sentence, like one that I started learning at the end, like 2nd, 3rd grade when I first started learning Braille back in the day. But now you got a basic sentence covered, I want to show you or teach you the single letter contractions using the alphabet. So I'm gonna move the carriage return back to the left. Okay, it's all the way back. Okay, so just the A is the capital, so .6A. B, that's 1, 2. Stands, oh, I did the word about, sorry. Never mind, okay, stupid mistake. Have to edit that out properly. No, you don't want to leave that in there, because it teaches you a lesson. Be careful of your finger positioning when doing Braille. So the real one, I'll just space over. So B, that's 1, 2. Is the word but. B-U-T. C is that's 1, 4. And that is can. The letter D stands for do. E stands for every. Stands for from. G stands for go. H stands for have. It's only a second sheet now. The letter I is just a capital I. J is just. K is knowledge. L is like. M is more. N is not. The letter O is just letter O. P stands for people. Q stands for queen. R stands for, yeah. R is rather. S is so. T is that. U is us. I need to get more paper. I will see you guys in a second. Hello guys, I'm back for the second part of that video. Sorry I had to go get more paper. But we are back on letter V. V stands for very. Like, this is very interesting. W is will. X is it. Z is as. Video. Let's do a sentence using the comma and the period. And number sign. So let's say Nick has a channel that has number sign. So it's a new number, like 43, you do a D and a C for number 43. Because I'm making 76, that's how rusty I am on this Braille and stuff. I haven't done it since I did that video. That's just a little example. And let's do one that's possessive with an apostrophe. There is a place near me. Called Nick's Pizza. I forgot to do the apostrophe, but I'm going to go under that then and write the word Nick's for you guys with the apostrophe so you can see what it looks like. So let's go up so you guys can see that. That's as far as I can go, I guess. And guys, it looks like that is the end of today's video. I will see you guys very soon with a new video. Stay tuned.